Hello, this is Sana. I'm about to show you how to do a 3/1 left purl cable. And I've just encountered that in the instructions for my buckluster beanie. So here I am. And I can see that I have 3 knit stitches that are already leaning towards the left. And then I have this purl right here who I want to snuggle over with these other 2 purls to continue my pattern. So the first thing I do when I see instructions like this is identify which stitches need to be cabled. 3/1 tells me 3 + 1 is 4, and here are the 4 stitches. So I'll slide the first 3 onto my double point or cable needle and hold them in front, and that way I can get them out of the way and purl this guy. And then I will work the stitches off of my cable needle second in order to have reorganized. Okay, let's do our 3/1 left purl cable. So I'm going to purl this stitch first after we reorganize everything. So I'm going to bring my working yarn to the front. Now I'm going to slide these 3, 1, 2, 3 onto my cable needle, and I'm going to hold it in front. I'm going to purl this guy first. Come here, you can reach right there. Now I'm going to work the 3 off of my cable needle. I'm going to be very careful not to twist. I want to work them off the cable needle in the order that they appeared on my left needle before this whole thing started. Okay, there we go. So let me purl this next stitch, and you can see the whole thing continues moving over towards the left.